What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Joe. I'm here with my first prank on my little brother. He thought it was funny to trash my house last night. I'm gonna add the video in. So today I'm finna put all his clothes in the dishwasher and see how they turn out.
He wears this every day.
He thought he was gonna trash my house and get away with it. Man, what the fuck? What you thought this was? Then he took all my fucking light bulbs out. Like all of them. I wake up thinking my motherfucking lights off. I know I paid my bill. I don't know, man. But it's just the beginning. Prank wars. We got more videos coming soon. He don't have a YouTube channel, so I guess he'll start one. Yes. Prank wars just begun. I'm a little sick, but I don't care.
Why you put that girl's shirt in here though? Boy, what if it would have faded?
I don't care.
And it looked like it did. Oh, girl, bye.
I can care less.
You get an A for effort though. It's cute. It's nothing, baby. Okay, that was cute though. But wait till yours.
No, just begun.
Like, it was kind of a rage in me when I saw this, but it really ain't nothing. It's just a little, it's like a teaser. Cause if I would have did what I had to do this morning, you would never did this. Cause you would have been gave up.
What I do? I didn't do nothing. I just helped you. You
Okay.
said you need to wash, so I washed.
Okay. Watch for a bag. That's what you need to do.
I ain't say watch. I said wash.
But I'm saying you to watch your bag.
But dang, I can't get a thank you at least.
I told you, you get an E for effort. Cause
It's an A, not an E. Everybody like, subscribe, and comment more prank ideas, cause prank wars just started. I think I took a dub for the first one, so let me know in the comments.